What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing these hood struts or hood support bars, whatever you want to call them, on my E90 M3. When I first bought the car, the hood struts were fine, but when I was working on my car recently, had the hood open for about 30 seconds and then it slammed into the back of my head. And I figured it's probably time to replace those struts so it doesn't happen again in the future. When I first looked this item up for the E90 M3, they were rather expensive. The prices were all over the place from like $50 to $80 to even $100 for these struts. However, did a little more research and I found these ones online on eBay. I'll link them down below for like $15 shipped. So super cheap. This isn't an actual OEM part, so I took a little bit of a risk going for a cheaper strut, but that's okay. I want to try them out and see how long they actually last on the car, and I will let you guys know if I have any issues. But for this video, we're just going to go ahead and install them. Even if you do buy the OEM ones, this will be the exact same install method as these ones. Just had some parts arrive. Coilovers. I think this video on the coils is going to come out on Monday, and then carbon fiber intake, I believe that's going to come out on Wednesday. I think it's going to come out on Wednesday. Either way, those are coming up. But let's head out to the car and get these hood struts on. Ugh. All right. Let's get this thing turned around. Throw on these hood struts. All right, got the hood open, and as you can see, oh, there you go. The hood just doesn't stay open because these struts they're bad. So we're gonna go ahead and replace those. I'm gonna show you guys how. It's real simple. So here are the ones that I bought. They have no label on them. $15 for both of them. They look to be pretty much identical to the ones that come on the car, except they don't have the stamp. These are really, really easy to get off. You just slide a flathead or a pick tool underneath this little clip in here and pull it up, and then you can pull it out. Same deal with this side. Just slide a pick tool into that clip, pull it up, pull out, whole thing comes off. I'll show you guys what I mean. So we're just gonna use this flathead right in there as a groove. Pull it up just like that. Same deal with this one down here. Make sure you have something else holding your hood up, obviously, when you do this. And then, you should just be able to pull it right out. Same deal with this side. Bam, super easy, comes right out. All right, so just to show you guys up close here, same exact length, same structure, same everything pretty much. They just don't have the original stampings. So I'm not really worried about that. I'm more worried about, does it work and how long does it last? And we'll find out. We will find out. So when you guys put this back on, you don't need to pull this clip up. Just go ahead and pop it on. Same deal with this side. We'll do this side first. Bam, just like that. I didn't have enough free hands to show you guys the lower side, but just push the hood all the way up, push that guy in and you're good. Throw the other one in. Same process. This one's out. I'd have to say at first glance, these new ones are gonna work fine. Only have one in, and it's holding up the hood. So yeah, for $15 for both, you really can't go wrong with these ones. All right, there you go. Simple enough. They literally just clip right in. Super easy install. Sweet. There you go. That's crazy because you really don't realize how bad these are until you put the new ones in. There's just much more resistance now when you're closing the hood. All right, simple enough. Easy maintenance one today for you guys. Hopefully if you need to do this to your BMW, you now know how. It's like one of the easiest things that you can do. But the important part is that I found ones that were way cheaper than the OEM ones people were trying to sell on different websites. They were literally like $100 for hood struts. BMW life, right? But I knew that there was someone out there who made something that was pretty much the exact same thing for a fraction of the price, and I found them, $15. I believe it was like $15 shipped for 2 new hood struts. So if you guys need them, I'll link it down below. Anyways, keep an eye out for the next couple of videos coming up. We're gonna have the intake, and then we also have the coilovers coming up, which is gonna be pretty cool and exciting. If you guys enjoyed the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below, hit that bell notification. Just like that, this video is over, and I'm out. Peace.